What happens to your mitochondria? During intermittent fasting, backed by Huberman Lab and cellular science. Mitochondria, your cellular powerhouses, do far more than just make energy. According to Dr. Andrew Huberman, these tiny organelles are deeply involved in aging, metabolism, brain function, and even mood regulation. And when you fast, you don't just change your diet, you reprogram your cells. So what exactly happens to your mitochondria during intermittent fasting? Let's take a closer look. Rich mind and heart, the ancient wisdom combined with science. Discover how small intentional shifts can rewire your brain, strengthen your body, and ignite your spirit. Each video shows you how to unlock the full power of your biology, energy, and soul. We don't ask for donations, but please tap like and hit subscribe. Your engagement is all we need. Please take a deep breath and start your transformation. Meet your mitochondria. Each cell in your body can contain hundreds to thousands of mitochondria. Their main job? Converting nutrients into ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the cellular fuel that powers everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts. But what's fascinating, as Dr. Huberman notes, is how flexible and responsive mitochondria are. They constantly adapt to your behaviors, especially your patterns of eating and fasting. Fasting initiates a metabolic switch. When you fast, your body transitions from glucose metabolism to fat-based energy, a process called metabolic switching. This triggers mitochondria to enhance their efficiency and resilience. According to recent neuroscience and metabolic biology studies, this shift activates gene pathways involved in mitochondrial maintenance and longevity. One key outcome: improved mitochondrial function under metabolic stress. Mitophagy, cellular detox for mitochondria. Fasting induces a powerful cellular process called mitophagy, essentially a deep clean for your mitochondria. Damaged, inefficient mitochondria are broken down and recycled. This prevents oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to neurodegenerative diseases and premature aging. As Huberman highlights, this cleanup improves neuronal health, reduces brain fog, and enhances focus. Mitochondrial biogenesis, birth of new energy. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Fasting also stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new, younger mitochondria. This process is regulated by proteins like PGC1-alpha, which boosts endurance, brain plasticity, and cellular resilience. Huberman notes that this may be one reason fasting supports long-term cognitive health and neuroplasticity. Energy, efficiency, and fat adaptation. Over time, intermittent fasting makes your mitochondria fat-adapted, more efficient at converting fatty acids into energy. This increases both physical endurance and mental clarity. According to Huberman, these metabolic changes can elevate your baseline dopamine tone, improve mitochondrial respiration in the brain, and enhance prefrontal cortex performance, key for focus and executive function. Longevity and cellular defense. Intermittent fasting is also tied to increased lifespan and decreased risk of age-related diseases. Enhanced mitochondrial quality means less DNA damage, lower inflammation, and greater resistance to oxidative stress. Dr. Huberman emphasizes that consistent mitochondrial renewal is central to maintaining peak performance, both physically and cognitively, across the lifespan. So, what happens to your mitochondria during intermittent fasting? They clean house, multiply, and upgrade. Literally. You're not just skipping a meal. You're optimizing your cellular engines for energy, focus, and longevity. As Andrew Huberman often says, your biology is highly adaptive. Use it wisely. And intermittent fasting is one of the most powerful biological levers you can pull. Don't stop here. There's more waiting for you. More space, more insights, more truths ready to meet you, exactly where you are now. Take a step into the next episode. Maybe it holds the answer you've been seeking, or the question that could change everything. See you soon on the next step of your journey. Rich mind and heart.